Okay friends, today's a special day because we're going to make our own musical instruments. I have two ideas for you to do this using cardboard and a couple other things you might have around the house. So the first thing we're going to do is make a cool clacker. So there are very simple materials that you need. You need a piece of cardboard, and ideally you would have 2 bottle caps, like this, or in a pinch you could use a quarter. So what I've done is cut a piece of cardboard that is about the size between two of my fingers, and bend it, kind of like push it down in the middle to make a crease and bend it. And what I like to do is go back and forth so it will be a little more flexible for you. All right, now that I have that, I've got my glue gun, and of course parents have got to help with this. But I take the glue gun and I make a circle about the size of the bottle cap. And just nestle that in there. Oops. And then one big dab for the quarter. And I'll let that set for a second until they're nice and secure. And now, how I like to play it, because it's time to play it now, I like to put the opening toward my hand so I have a little more control over it. See? Super simple, not finished yet, because you can add your own details to it. You can use your crayons. I love using crayons because they're great on cardboard, but you can also use markers. And if you still have some of your paint from last week, you could also paint it with your watercolors that you created. So the next instrument we're going to make is super simple, and all you need is a small cardboard box like this one, and I just have all the sides pushed in, so it gives the box a little extra stability as you're making this project. And then I have a handful of gum bands, a handful of rubber bands right here. And all we're gonna do is to wrap this box with rubber bands. And then you'll see what happens within. Although it's giving you some clues right now. I have different colors. I have green, orange, and blue, and I have one more Ashley Hall color, purple. All right, so you can see what it looks like right now. And now it's time to play it. I'll play it a little bit closer. So I want you to think about the different kinds of guitars that I have. One has 6 strings and one has 4 strings. Do you know which one has 4 strings? If you said ukulele, you were right. 2, 3, 4. And that's it for making the actual instrument, but now it's your turn to make it all unique and your own. So you can use markers, you can use your tapes, that would look really cool. You can use crayons if you have a brown box. And also if you have stickers, which I know a lot of you do, you can use stickers to decorate your box. And that's it for this week, making our instruments. And I look forward to seeing you